comes and goes. It's fluctuating. The terminal that is even fluctuating is not what I'm expecting. If you remove this one, let's check. Power is off, right? I think. Power is back. No battery. Then it works well. Okay. See, today should be 4th April 2024. At least it's a wonderful day because this confirmation on Daniel cell, I discovered that after preparing Daniel cell, I'll just, as usual, use my voltmeter and I'll get 1.1. But when I now put it on any bulb, it will not light it. Then it wasn't easy. I was curious and I discovered that this is one of the ancient batteries used, to the extent even in Telegram. So that means it is usable, only that it is now replaced by a more better way, but it is usable. So while teaching students, it doesn't light up a bulb. That will make chemistry dull, and we need to generate electricity from chemical reaction. So they need to see it real life. So it was a very big challenge on me as a chemistry teacher. Nobody to help me out. When I watch videos on YouTube, none of the videos were able to show me the one that powered light. They will just end up measuring the voltage, which I have succeeded. My students have also succeeded. But it took me a longer time. I didn't know. So it looks simple because I've discovered how and why I haven't been able to achieve it. So this is it. Today is a wonderful day. I was able to survive. After about 6 months, though not serious research on it in 6 months, I just dumped it. Now we are on holiday. I made it one of my projects alongside that of electromagnetism, of course. Even this keeps apparatus. Before now, I was unable to get it functional. It keeps leaking and it looks as if it never worked for intermittent supply. So as you can see it now, I was able to even generate it. It is now stable. This has run for 2 weeks now. It's not. If I press here, the gas is released. This liquid goes down to touch the solid reactant on the middle chamber. And when I close the tap, the gas is produced, pushing it up again, and it is running itself. So since I've been hearing that KIPS apparatus is used for intermittent supply of gas, I was unable to use that for that purpose, only to show my students this is KIPS apparatus. But I couldn't use it to produce gas intermittently. But as you can see, I have been able to even make it more perfect and more strong, staying for long, pushing almost the whole liquid up, and it is stable. So empty over here, starting from this point down to this level, is filled with that gas, and it doesn't break again. I've prevented many things, so I succeeded. It's one of the 2 successes together with this Daniel cell. Now you see the light is on. Let me open the switch by just removing one of the electrodes. You see, it's off. When I put it back, it's on. I remove, it's off. Put it back, it's on. Okay, it's just touching the outside. Okay, put it. It is on now. See? So today is a remarkable day. I'm happy I was able to achieve this. Next is for the electromagnetism, to have the electric motor where I will create a fan, and the electric generator where I will use my mechanical ability to generate electricity that can even charge my phone. That's right, this is Her Majesty, of course. Thank you. Okay, in addition to these 2 projects I just succeeded, there is another one on the table there. This is soap. I've used the cold process and the hot process. In this case, I've not done I'm trying to isolate glycerol, because glycerol is also formed alongside with the soap. So over here is the spent lye, of which there is still some soap. So I've finally been able to separate soap. You see it, the spent lye falling, there is still soap there. So I discovered that hot process can aid sorting out easier. Okay, for the soap, yeah, it's just in the class. I forgot to include I didn't see anything to pour the soap. I just used this should be packaged for the the cleaner, board cleaner over there. That's it. I just use the container. Now it has set. When the students come, they will be very happy. We will open it and bring a bar soap and start enjoying. So, but to recover the glycerol now from the spent lye is a problem. So these are the 3 successes I've made on this holiday, Easter holiday, of course. It's really a nice holiday. Christ has risen indeed, and it was on Good Friday that I actually got the answer to the problem I've been having on the Daniels why I was unable. I just know that this was really Good Friday. Although it wasn't good, I didn't attend those activities because I just wanted to achieve this. I went straight, even though I'm a Christian, to the lab, and it was really a Good Friday. I didn't succeed that day, but there is a glimmer of what I've been doing wrong. I noticed it, that is where it all lies. Okay, so that's it. So the next thing is, if I can now fix a switch intermediate here, press on and on, that means I can now switch on and switch off. No more removing, though these cells are cumbersome. Of course, once we are working on how we can improve on them, but this is a cake cell, of course. So these are the remarkable scientific improvements I've achieved on this Easter holiday. So Good Friday in this Easter, which is probably, I think Good Friday should be 29th of this month. That's last month, sorry, March. I guess it was really a Good Friday for me. Then I succeeded finally on 4th April 2024 to light up this with the Daniel cell. And then next move is to carry out the separation of the glycerol from spent lye, and also the electromagnetism. It's not been easy. You can watch some of my videos on all these topics. I've taught them well, and I never use any other thing except the principles behind what these things runs. Yes, so don't just learn science for example, because these things are to be applied. Let's join hands together and follow Her Majesty's world. You together improve on our science. You contact me for your science projects, all those things. We've done that, many things. We also need partners. 2 good heads are better than 1. You train yourself, we can collectively reason out something to help our continent. Thank you for watching. Stamina, carry over. Okay. Is you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Comes and goes. It's fluctuating. The terminal that is even fluctuating is not what I'm expecting. That's gone off. Okay. Now we did that, there is no. So if you remove this one, let's check. Power is off, right? I think. Power is back. So we can weigh something. That's 0, right? This was the LED bulb. That's 46.30.
Grams, no?
It's there. They wrote grams.
120.
That's 120.37 grams. That's see. Same thing. Off. Okay.
Is it the electrode that is rotten?
Let's check. Okay. It's the one. The zinc is being reduced, of course. Oh no, it's being oxidized either. Okay. So we got it. It's working well. Right. So no battery. Then it works well. Okay.